Homegrown herbs have maximum flavour, and if you'd like to be picking handfuls of them to add to your home cooking, you need to plant these must-have herbs from Floriana now. Grown in bigger pots, these Floriana cut and cook advanced herbs are ready for picking straight away to use in all of your summer cooking. Perfect in pots, planters or garden beds, keep these herbs close to your kitchen or barbecue space so they're on hand whenever you need them. Growing your own means that you have an abundant yet steady supply of herbs when your dishes just need an extra kick of flavour. The aromatic leaves of basil sweet are delicious in summer salads paired with tomato or used to top appetisers. Basil loves a warm, sunny spot but will also tolerate part shade. Harvest the leaves regularly to encourage more growth. Coriander is a must for adding a fresh, zesty kick to noodle dishes, curries and salads. In the heat of summer, coriander prefers a part-shaded spot and to be kept out of the hot afternoon sun. Don't let it dry out or it will bolt to seed quickly. Parsley Italian is full of classic flavour and it's a great source of iron and vitamin C. Many Italian, Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes call for this flavoursome leafy green herb that will love a full sun spot in your garden. Summer drinks would not be complete without fresh mint, so keep it on hand for easy picking. Mint thrives in a semi-shaded spot and it's best to grow in a pot to keep its vigorous growth contained. Plant these herbs now so your summer cooking is bursting with flavour and freshness.